Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Corvette easy. First, let's start with the basic structure. Begin by lightly sketching a long, flat rectangle to represent the main body of the car. This initial shape will guide your proportions. Next, establish the car's overall length, aiming for it to be roughly 3 times its height. Finally, draw a central vertical line down the middle of your rectangle to help maintain symmetry as you build out the design. Now that we have our basic shape, let's refine the body. Focus on defining the Corvette's iconic low profile and its sleek, aerodynamic lines. These curves are crucial for capturing its essence. Next, carefully add the distinct front grille and the sharp, narrow headlights, paying attention to their placement. Don't forget to sketch the prominent wheel wells and the characteristic side vents, which are key design elements. With the main body taking shape, it's time to add some crucial details. First, draw the wheels and tires, making sure they appear perfectly round and in correct perspective. This adds a lot of realism. Then, carefully include the door lines, side mirrors, and the window frames. Pay attention to their angles and proportions. Finally, add subtle curves for the hood, roof, and trunk sections to give the car its smooth, finished look. For our final slide, let's bring your Corvette drawing to life. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines to ensure your drawing looks clean and polished. Then, apply shading and highlights to create depth and give your Corvette a realistic, three-dimensional finish. Think about where light would hit the car's surfaces. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial perspective, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.